My name is Ulf, and I'd like to give you a quick overview of where we stand with Placety development. Once you enter Placety, the first thing you see as a user is the map view. Here you see yellow and teal colored place markers. The yellow ones are Placety places, and the teal colored ones are Wikipedia places that we're importing right now, so that you have a good amount of places to start with in any location in the world. As you can see from zooming, we have a good clustering algorithm that clusters and declusters fast and makes a lot of places on the map easy to handle. Clicking on a place marker gets you to the place page. Here you can see everything from a description to how many people viewed the place. You can follow and unfollow a place, add your own text and pictures, comment on a place, share it with others, edit the place, or browse through it. But the map view is not the only way of how to discover places around you. We've worked on a bunch of places that are unique to Placety, and the first thing I want to show you is bird's eye view. The way bird's eye view works is you see yourself in the center of bird's eye view, and you can pan around to the left, upper right, lower right, and the bottom left as well, and see what places are behind you, on the left of you, or on the right of you. It's easy to see and go to places from there. The next view I want to show you is a simple place list view. It's a list that goes very fast and shows you all the places in your immediate vicinity, but it doesn't have to be your immediate vicinity only. You can actually search for other places, search for locations, cities and areas around the world, and discover places from there. A very similar view is My Places. It's basically a filtered version of the place list view, showing you all the places that either you created or that you followed, so that when you're in the vicinity of a place, you can edit it quickly, add new comments or pictures to it, or anything else you would like to do. The last view I want to show you is the Around Me view, and it's our take on augmented reality. It's a very nice and stabilized experience when you zoom around, showing you exactly where you are, what direction you're looking at, and what places are there. Tapping on a place, as usual, takes you to the place view page, where you can then interact and learn more about the place ahead of you. But let's have a little bit of a closer look at the place pages. On the top right, you're seeing what we call an audio node. Each place can have an audio recording associated with it that really brings the place alive, especially when browsing through photos that are high resolution for iPads and iPhones. Now on the place page, you can decide to follow a place, which makes it available in the news feed and you get updates whenever something happens to the place, or add it to a collection. A collection of places could be anything from favorite restaurants to photography locations, or a blogger who puts places together. Now you have the ability to share these places either with other Placety followers on Facebook or Twitter, or send an email to your friends that will share the place. You have the ability to add comments, read comments about it, and record audio comments as well. So all these actions you do end up in a news feed. The newsfeed updates you on any places you follow, any collections you follow, or any other Placety users you follow. Whenever there's an interaction on a place, let's say a new picture, a new update, any new comments that are relevant, they will be pushed to you on the newsfeed. You can browse through it, look at pictures directly, even interact and comment straight on the newsfeed, or play audio comments straight from the newsfeed as well. Here's one of the comment pages that you can get through straight from the newsfeed, and now I'm playing one of the audio comments. So you can keep browsing through newsfeed to get updates to whatever happens to your favorite places more. Finally, let's have a look at our user pages. Each user has their own page and can look at other people's pages that list a lot of statistics and profile information about a user. You can see what people follow you or who you follow and go to their pages. You can check out your collections and others, and see the places you visited or created yourself. You can even go and check your Facebook friends and see which of those are on Placety that you can follow and get their updates as well. Now, we're all about statistics, and the P number is the ultimate in that. Anything you do on Placety increases or decreases your P number. In short, the better Placety user you are, the higher your P number will be. The more activity you do and the more people like your activity, the more your P number increases. If you post and create bad places, people don't like your places, your P number ultimately will decrease. All of these actions have an impact on your P number, and you can see them in your statistics. We're very open about stats, and we feel it's very important for people to know what's going on. Now, all these stats have an impact. And that impact ultimately boils down to the leaderboard. The leaderboard is a place where you can see the P numbers of all places, either worldwide or in your location, and a P number of people. So you can see who's ranked the highest, can check out their pages, see what places they've graded, or maybe follow their collections. I hope you like this short intro about Placety. Thank you very much for watching, and there's a lot more in Placety that we invite you to try out yourself.